Are you ready to unlock the magic of Michigan blueberries in every meal? I've got something absolutely delightful to share with you today. Introducing the Michigan Blueberry Recipe Cookbook from Traverse Bay Farms. It is a free download from our website. This isn't just any cookbook, it's a blueberry bonanza with over 100 recipes that transform ordinary meals into delectable adventures. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious novice, these dishes are designed to wow your taste buds and add a burst of flavor to your cooking repertoire. Let's dive into the sections, shall we? Starting with breakfast, imagine beginning your day with lush blueberry pancakes, hearty blueberry oatmeal, or a refreshing blueberry smoothie bowl. It's the perfect morning boost. Moving on to lunch, how about a blueberry chicken salad sandwich or maybe a blueberry turkey burger? These meals are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that keep you energized throughout the day. Snacks, yes please. From blueberry energy bites to blueberry oatmeal cookies and even blueberry salsa, you've got tasty and quick options to satisfy those midday cravings. For dinner, think blueberry glazed pork tenderloin or a fresh blueberry quinoa salad. These dishes are sure to impress at any dinner table, adding a splash of color and a punch of flavor. And we can't forget about desserts and beverages. End your day with a decadent blueberry cobbler or a blueberry cream cheese pie, or refresh with a blueberry-infused water or a blueberry cucumber smoothie. It's all about enjoying the rich flavors and versatility of blueberries. So, are you ready to add a touch of Michigan's finest blueberries to your meals? Grab your copy of the Michigan Blueberry Recipe Cookbook and start exploring the delicious possibilities. Happy cooking! Remember, every meal is a chance to experience something magical with Michigan blueberries. Let's make every bite count.